Introducing Megavent's ultimate Skylight Retractable Roof Solution. Megavent proudly presents a 100% leak-proof skylight that ensures your space remains dry and secure. Additionally, our skylights are specially designed to prevent heat traps, keeping your rooms comfortably cool during warm days. Quality and durability are our top priorities. Our skylights come with a 10-year warranty for polycarbonate sheets and an impressive 15-year warranty for the powder coating of aluminum profiles. You can rest assured that our products are built to last. We pride ourselves on using the best materials for fabrication, ensuring long-lasting performance. Our skylights are crafted using non-corrosive aluminum alloy profiles, stainless steel fasteners, EPDM rubber ceilings, and highly resilient polycarbonate sheets. These sheets are 12 times tougher than toughened glass and weigh only half as much. Convenience is at your fingertips. The Megavent RR Skylight Retractable Roof can be easily automated or manually operated, giving you full control over your space and lighting.